In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a start and end date in Goodday. Adding clear start and end dates to your tasks is a simple way to keep your projects organized and your timelines realistic. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you through the exact clicks you need to make, and also share a few tips on how to use these dates effectively in your daily workflow. First, open Goodday and go to the project or workspace where your task lives. On your task list or board, locate the task you want to update. Click on that task to open its detailed view. This is important because the start and end date options are available inside the task details, not from the main overview. Once the task window is open, look for the deadline or date icon. Depending on your layout or theme, this usually appears as a small calendar icon or something labeled as a deadline near the top of the task, often close to the task title or key fields. Click on this deadline icon to bring up the date settings. A date picker panel will appear, showing you options to set or adjust the timing of your task. Here, you will typically see fields or toggles related to dates. Make sure you actually select the option that lets you change or add dates rather than closing the panel. This is where you move from just viewing the deadline to actively editing it. Next, within this date panel, look specifically for the start-end option. It's usually represented by an icon or label indicating a date range rather than a single date. Click on the start/end icon. This switches the task from using just one deadline date to using a range, with both a starting point and an ending point. Now you can select your dates. Click on the start date field and pick the day you want work on this task to begin. Then click on the end date field and choose the date when you expect the task to be completed. Take a second to double check that your start date comes before your end date and that the range makes sense with your overall schedule and dependencies. When you're done, confirm or save your changes in the date panel. After saving, you should see both the start and end dates displayed on the task. That's all you need to add a start and end date in Goodday, helping you visualize task duration and plan your work